Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced by many home network users. Picture this. You have an ownCloud server named ownCloud tucked away behind your NAT router, ensuring its privacy by not being accessible from the internet. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch: when you're outside your home network and your phone attempts to connect to ownCloud on a foreign Wi-Fi, could someone with malicious intent intercept your data or possibly spoof an ownCloud server to fool you? It's a valid concern that many face in today's interconnected world. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The use of letsencrypt TLS certificates plays a significant role here. By setting up these certificates, you're essentially binding a specific hostname to a server with a unique private key. This means that if your ownCloud server requires TLS and you connect via a specific DNS name with certificate validation, your phone will refuse to connect to any ROM server, even if it shares the same internal IP address. It's a clever way to add an extra layer of security to your connections, ensuring that your data stays protected. Another level of security can be achieved by implementing a couple of additional measures. Consider setting up IPv6 in your home LAN for improved uniqueness in addressing. Pair this with a self-hosted always-on VPN like Tailscale or WireGuard when you're outside your home network. By routing only your LAN address prefix through the VPN, you ensure that all traffic to those addresses passes through a secure tunnel back to your home network. This not only enhances security, but also enables seamless access to your services, even those that don't rely on TLS SSL. In summary, safeguarding your ownCloud server from potential threats while outside your home network is crucial. The solution lies in utilizing letsencrypt TLS certificates to validate server connections and considering additional security measures like IPv6 and a self-hosted VPN. By combining these elements, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your data remains secure no matter where you are. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any funny networking stories you have to share.